Hello students. So this is experiment number 10 and here I have written the code on the Arduino Uno text editor, and here you can find I have declared a pin LED 13 as output. A PIR pin is 2, and here I am switching on my camera. So this is a PIR sensor. This is a PIR sensor basically. It has connection, it has connector, so there is a connector also in this to switch on to connect the PIR sensor with the microcontroller. Okay, so here you can see that I can connect it with the I have already connected it with my Arduino Uno, and on the board you can see that here is no human detected. Is when there is no motion, then no human detected, and when there is a motion, then I got hey I got you message is coming on the on this board. So here you can see that both the things are interconnected. I have connected this board with my PIR sensor, and I have used pin number 2 for this purpose. And now I will show you that if my this sensor is not detecting any motion. So now no any motion is detected by my sensor. Now I will just move simple. I will just moving my hand. So my hand, as I move my hand, so that's why it is showing some value. Now if there is no any human detection, so you can see that how it is working. So you can use it for many purposes, and there are many there are many purposes. They see, you can see on the COM port that no human detect is showing, and I just move my hand, and so it is showing that hey I got you message. So that's how we can use our sensors with the Arduino boards, and it is very useful thing, and it can be used in many purposes. It can be used for the detection of the human, for the burglar alarms also it can be used, and it can be used for the for some for switching on the light for some delay. And if somebody is not in the in somewhere, for example kitchen, for example washroom, so here there also you can implement this type of circuit. For example stair steps, so there also you can implement this type of circuit and you can use it. Okay, so thank you for this experiment. Hope you enjoyed all these experiment, and if you have any kind of issue, if you have any kind of problem, you can talk to me. Thank you.